What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break these courses down and what they consist of. This is a channel where we can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. Allow me to quickly break down this truck mounted forklift certification course and what it consists of. This online course is aligned with OSHA standard training requirements to cover OSHA 29 CFR 1910 General Industry and OSHA 29 CFR 1926 Construction Industry. A truck-mounted forklift, or TMF, also known as a piggyback or all-terrain forklift, is a compact, fully functional forklift that has been designed to be attached to the rear of a truck or trailer. This enables the driver to unload and position materials at job sites without the need for a separate forklift to be sent on site. This way it provides versatile and efficient delivery services for industries like construction, agriculture, and logistics, especially in areas lacking conventional unloading equipment. While these trucks-mounted forklifts are extremely efficient when it comes to material handling, they may also pose major dangers to operators, workers, and property if not used properly and appropriately. In order to guarantee safe and effective operation, truck-mounted forklift operators will need to complete a safety training and certification course. This certification addresses anatomy, working circumstances, and common equipment hazards. Practice quiz questions for the final written test and a checklist for employers to use in addition to the written test for the practical exam mandated by OSHA are included in this training course. Some of the topics that will be covered are stability, personal safety, know your machine, and know your worksite. Some of the things you will learn upon completion of this online course will be how to operate a forklift on uneven terrain, conduct proper maintenance and inspection of equipment, comply with OSHA regulations regarding safety and operation, and how to load and unload the forklift safely. Many thanks for taking some time to check out this quick tutorial. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams online certification course. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'll see you in the future.